A quiet man with a brilliant mind, Sir Arthur Eddington changed the way we view the universe. Not with rockets or satellites, but with the power of mathematics, observation, and an unwavering belief in the unity of science across borders. This is the story of Arthur Eddington, physicist, astronomer, philosopher, and the man who first proved Einstein's theory of general relativity to the world. Arthur Eddington, the man who proved Einstein right. Arthur Stanley Eddington was born on December 28, 1882, in Kendal, Westmoreland, England. Raised in a devout Quaker household, the principles of honesty, peace, and intellectual curiosity shaped him from an early age. His father, a schoolmaster, died of typhoid fever when Arthur was just 2 years old, leaving his mother to raise him and his sister alone. A prodigy from the start, Arthur excelled in mathematics. At age 16, he earned a scholarship to Owens College in Manchester and later transferred to Trinity College, Cambridge. There, his brilliance truly emerged, culminating in him becoming Senior Wrangler, the top mathematics undergraduate, in 1904. After graduation, Eddington began working at the Royal Greenwich Observatory under Sir Frank Dyson. His early research focused on stellar motions and the internal structure of stars. In 1913, at just 31 years old, he was appointed Plumian Professor of Astronomy and Experimental Philosophy at Cambridge, a role that would define his life's work. When World War I broke out, science faced a unique crisis. German scientists and British scientists, once collaborators, were now enemies. But Eddington, a conscientious objector due to his Quaker beliefs, saw science as a bridge, not a battleground. He defended the cause of international scientific cooperation, particularly supporting a young German physicist named Albert Einstein. In 1915, Einstein published his general theory of relativity, a radical reimagining of gravity. The theory predicted that massive objects like the sun would bend the path of light, a phenomenon observable during a solar eclipse. Eddington was among the first in Britain to recognize the importance of Einstein's ideas. In 1919, Eddington led a historic expedition to observe a total solar eclipse off the coast of Africa, aiming to measure the bending of starlight by the sun's gravity. Despite bad weather and technical challenges, Eddington's team succeeded. Their results matched Einstein's predictions. And overnight, Albert Einstein became a global celebrity, and Eddington became the man who proved it. Eddington's contributions didn't end with relativity. In the 1920s, he turned his attention to one of the great mysteries of his time: how do stars shine? His 1926 book, The Internal Constitution of the Stars, laid the foundation for modern astrophysics. He proposed that stars generate energy through the fusion of hydrogen into helium, a revolutionary idea later confirmed by nuclear physics. Unlike many scientists, Eddington had a gift for making complex ideas accessible. His philosophical writings explored the relationship between science and spirituality, mind and matter. Books like The Nature of the Physical World brought the mysteries of the cosmos to the lay public, blending poetic wonder with scientific rigor. Knighted in 1930 for his contributions to science, Sir Arthur Eddington continued to work, write, and lecture until his final years. He spent much of the 1930s exploring fundamental constants of nature, attempting to derive all of physics from a set of simple principles. Eddington died of cancer on November 22, 1944, at the age of 61. Though gone, his impact endures. He showed the world that science is not a solitary endeavor, but a universal human quest, one that transcends nations, wars, and even the vast distances of space. Today, as we explore black holes, dark matter, and the farthest reaches of the universe, we stand on the shoulders of giants like Arthur Eddington, a man whose mind spanned the heavens and whose spirit sought truth beyond the visible stars. Visual fade to black. End credits.